3. Respiration is a characteristic of living things. Hold your hand in front of your nose or keep your hand on your chest. What do you feel? We can feel the warm, moist air coming out of the nose and the chest moving up and down continuously. We can feel the air coming out is moist. If we observe a sleeping dog, what movement of its body do we see? We see the belly moving up and down continuously and rhythmically. Living things need oxygen in order to live. Inhaling oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide formed in the body due to the use of oxygen is called respiration. Animals such as fish, snake, mouse, etc. have specific organs for respiration. On the other hand, plants respire by means of microscopic pores on their stems and leaves. They are called stomata. Can you recall? Is all the food we eat used by the body? No. Non-essential and undigested food is thrown out of the body in the form of waste. What is the unused part of food converted into? The unused part of food is converted into excreta. Excretion. Waste substances are formed during many processes that take place in the bodies of animals. These are called excreta, and the process of eliminating them from the body is called excretion. Animals have specific organs for excretion. Plants too excrete. For example, some plants shed leaves in a specific season. Waste substances stored in the leaves of plants are shed along with the leaves. Try these. Take a transparent plastic bag, tie it over a leaf of a plant as shown in the picture. Observe it after 6 to 7 hours. What do you see? Droplets of water collect on the inside of the bag. It means that plants excrete water in the form of vapor. Use your brain power. What is the sticky substance seen on the stems of the babul or drumstick trees? It is the gum which oozes out when we prick it or cut it. It is the waste product that is stored in the bark. This gum has a lot of medicinal value. Have you experienced this? What happened immediately after the following actions? Light flashed suddenly into your eyes. We close our eyes spontaneously. Suddenly you felt a pin prick. We instantly pull away our hand. The leaves of mimosa plant were touched. The leaflets closed and remained like that for some time. At sunset, lamps on the street or courtyard are lit and insects gather around the lamps. The insects gather around the lamps, fly around it. When they sit on lamp, they die due to heat of the lamp. Responsiveness to stimuli and movement. Living things act in various ways when responding to a stimulus. If you suddenly enter a cowshed, the cows and buffaloes stand up, begin to move. One or two may even start moving. These are all movements. A creeper planted in the courtyard leans towards a support. A potted plant placed in a window grows towards sunlight. It means that plants too show movement. Living things move of their own accord. The movement or the change taking place in a living thing at such a time is the response to a stimulus. An event that occurs in our surroundings is a stimulus. The ability of living things to respond to a stimulus is called the responsiveness to stimuli.